Hello guys, good evening. This is our night. Okay, ito na po, this is it. This is our actual celebration of the junior senior prom. Here with me, of course, my co-teachers, my students over there. Yeah, from Prophet Jacob. Okay, any message for your parents?
Uwi na po sila.
Pinapauwi na po yung mga parents nila. And ito na po sila. Tinatawag na po one by one. Ang tawag po dyan ay Royal Circle. Ayan. O, tingnan po natin. Ngayon po natin ang Royal Circle. Ayan po. Napakaganda po talaga ng aming decoration. Our J-Sport. Ito na po yung actual, guys. Kapatid. Ayan na po. This is it. Mamaya po matungayan ninyo yung sayaw po nila na pinractice po nila ng ilang linggo. And I hope you will enjoy watching our grade 9 and grade 10 students. What can you say, Ma'am Joy?
Hi, hello.
Ayan po si Ma'am Joy, our math teacher. At the same time, advisor po ng Prophet Jeremiah. Ako naman po ay advisor ng Jonah. At ang advisor ng Jacob. Okay. So, ayan po, no? We will witness po later on yung big event po ng JS po for this school year. Ayan po. For the meantime, pakitignan lang po muna. Ayan po. Ang mga pair ng grade. Pair po, grade 10 and grade 9 for Royal Circle. Ayan po sila. And I'm so happy, so proud to tell you that our parents po are enjoying watching their kids, yung kanilang mga teenagers, na manood ng ating big event na to ng JS. Okay.
The fascinating Meltorine Mendoza and the dynamic Kenzie Carlos Sapa.
Okay, here with me po, yan ang ating mga student po. Ang gaganda po, ano? Yan. Si Ayesha, yan. Okay, I hope. Patikim pa lang po itong aking introduction. Tama ba, Ma'am Joy? Patikim pa lang po ito. Mamaya po yung pinakamagandang pangyayaring magaganap JS prom namin. And mamaya po may sayaw. Ano ba yung mapasabog natin? Sayaw ng grade 10. Okay, dance number ng grade 10. Yung tinatawag nating cotillion. And of course, yung jam session. Abangan niyo po yun. Thank you. And I hope na na-excite kayo sa aking vlog na to. Kasi mamaya yung ating super big event. Thank you. Bye.